Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Best Product. Today, we're reviewing the best adjustable DC power supply, a high-performance, user-friendly power supply with encoder adjustment, safety features, and USB fast charging. Let's dive into its key features. Let's get started. Product features. Encoder adjustment. Unlike traditional models that require a short circuit for precise adjustment, this power supply lets you easily set voltage and current with the encoder button and displays the values in real time on the HD LED screen. Multiple protection features. The built-in overcurrent protection function ensures safe operation. If a short circuit or overcurrent event occurs, the power supply automatically stops output and sounds an alarm, preventing damage to your equipment. USB charging port. Equipped with USB-A and Type-C fast charging ports, this power supply supports multiple fast charging protocols with up to 18W output power, allowing you to charge devices while working. High-definition LED display. The clear LED screen shows voltage, current, and power simultaneously, automatically switching between constant voltage and constant current modes depending on load changes. Complete package. The product includes one XDC power supply, one X power cord, one X output cord, and one X user manual. The NenCAD series is tested for durability and performance, ensuring a long-lasting and efficient power supply solution. Pros. Precise and easy adjustments. The encoder adjustment system provides a more user-friendly experience compared to traditional methods. Advanced safety features. The OCP function prevents short circuits and overload issues. Dual fast charging ports. Charge additional devices while using the power supply. Clear LED display. Real-time voltage, current, and power readings ensure accurate monitoring. Durable and reliable. Quality-tested components for longevity and performance. Cons. No built-in cooling fan. May get warm under high load for extended periods. Limited USB power output. 18W is decent, but may not be enough for high-power devices. Not ideal for heavy-duty industrial use. More suitable for lab, DIY, and moderate professional applications. Who is it for? The NenCAD TP S3010 adjustable DC power supply is perfect for electronics hobbyists, students, engineers, repair technicians, and small workshops needing precise voltage control, safety features, and efficiency for various applications. The NenCAD TP S3010 adjustable DC power supply delivers precision and safety in a compact, user-friendly design. Featuring encoder adjustment, multiple protection functions, and dual USB fast charging, it's an ideal choice for hobbyists, students, and professionals alike. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, check the price link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews from Best Product. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.